Great fixer-upper. Rehab loan/cash, sold as is. Incredibly big lot. Lots of possibilities. Cape Cod with screened-in front porch and porch swing. 2 beds downstairs. Upstairs has been converted into a room west/inner room. Could be made into 3rd bedroom. Detached 1-car garage and large shed. HVAC 2021. Water heater 2019. Windows were replaced at some time and are vinyl hung. Nestled in Portsmouth and is convent to city parks, highways, shopping, dining. At the city park can launch boats, parks, and playgrounds.